Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to automatically delete your Google Web and App activity history on a PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So what we're going to do is open up a Google Chrome browser, and what we're going to do is come to myactivity.google.com, and then from here what we need to do is just click this box here, Web and App Activity, and then what we're going to do is just scroll down the page slightly and click this Auto Delete option here. And from here what you can do is literally, you've got a few options there. So you can set it to auto delete activity older than 3 months, the same again but for 18 months, or the same again for 36 months. Or what you can do is click this one to turn off auto delete. So once you've chosen the option that you want to do, all you need to do is click next. So say I wanted to change this to 36 months. Then I'm going to click next down here. And you'll see what's going to happen. It's going to come up with a quick confirmation saying confirm your preference to auto delete activity older than 36 months. Activity older than 36 months will be automatically deleted. Google may delete some types of activity sooner. If you're happy to do that, go ahead and click the confirm button down here. And you'll see that's come up with a text saying preference saved, and that has now been changed to auto delete for the option I selected. Go ahead and click the got it button down here, just to confirm you've read that, and that's it done. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there's a link in the video description down below. If you go ahead and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.